don't reach for it, but is that a firearm?
Can we get your name?
I don't want to give any information. While I'm waiting for that number, I'm no longer being detained, right?
No, you still are.
Wait. He says no. He says yes.
I have a feeling that this is being done for your entertainment. You're not a judge, and this isn't a court.
Welcome back to the LackLuster channel. On March 6th of 2022, Junkyard News drove out to Dana Point in Orange County, California. With its marinas, boutiques, whale watching, and surf spots, it's an incredible location to spend a day taking pictures and learning new equipment. Having been assaulted previously because of a robbery attempt for his expensive photography gear, Junkyard wore glasses that recorded video and carried a taser pulse for self-defense. Though the pulse has yellow markings, indicating that it is not a firearm, it can easily be mistaken for one, and its presence caused a local business owner to call 911 to report it.
911, what's your emergency?
Hey, how you doing? I'm over here at PCH Malaga. There's a guy with camo pants walking southbound on PCH with a gun on his head, taking pictures.
Taking pictures of what?
I have no idea. He's just walking up and down the street, but he's got a gun.
In a holster?
In a holster, correct.
He's not waving it around?
No, but it's in a holster. It's just kind of weird. He's walking around taking pictures.
Can't tell what kind of gun it is, can you?
No, I can't tell.
The 911 call initiated a response from several Orange County Sheriff's deputies.
18 Alpha 35. 971 Hotel 6. Patrol check for a male, white, 50 years old, 5'7", 160 pounds, black baseball cap, black t-shirt, and camo pants, with a gun on his hip in a holster taking pictures.
Multiple deputies raced to the scene.
Hi, sir. How are you?
Hey, I'm doing pretty good.
Good. Hey, now don't reach for it, but is that a firearm that's on your hip right now?
I don't want to answer any questions, but if you want to inspect it, come on up.
Thank you very much.
No problem. You'll be able to tell what it is just by looking at it, though, okay? I'm not going to reach for it. I don't want to. Don't. Thank you for not having it unstrapped, though, okay? I'm not. Why am I being detained? I don't consent to any seizures. You can look at it and tell what it is.
Sam 34, one detained.
Why am I being detained? Can you just tell me that?
Well, because that looks like a firearm.
Okay. Well, I can understand that, but you could tell what it is.
And you said that we could inspect it.
You can inspect it.
So at that point, we're just going to be very safe at that
No
point.
worries. I can understand that.
That's it.
All right.
Yeah.
I'm not going to hurt anybody.
We appreciate your...
I have expensive equipment. I have it for self-defense.
I get it.
Yeah.
All right.
Completely appreciate your cooperation at this point.
No worries. Can I have it back?
What is that there? A taser there?
Taser pulse.
Yeah. Okay. All right.
Will you please put it back and secure it?
Just don't reach for it, please.
I'm not going to reach for it. I don't have any problem with it.
Okay. Yeah. What do you have down here? Is this a tripod for your camera?
Yeah. That's my. Well, I don't want to answer any questions, but it's camera equipment.
Okay.
I'll tell you that.
Okay. Can we get your name?
I don't want to give any information.
Nothing at all?
No.
Okay.
No. Oh, but you can supply me with the call detail report, the incident number? Yeah, please.
Okay.
Can I get a OTT?
OTT, you know me.
Do you have an employee number or badge number?
Grab the incident number off the
Thank you for your professionalism.
Just wait a second and we'll give you all
No
that.
problem. Can I get your name and employee number or badge number?
Hoffman 3582.
Thank you, sir.
Make sure you get my good side, okay?
No worries, man.
I came
No
up
worries,
behind
man.
you, so you make sure you get my
No problems, man. No problems. While I'm waiting for that number, I'm no longer being detained, right?
No, you still are.
I'm still. Wait. He says no. He says yes.
Well, if you want to get the info, you're going to have to wait.
Well, I can understand that, but officially I'm not detained any longer, right?
You're free to go, man. Just,
I understand.
Wait for the white hand. I don't want to see you jaywalk.
Of course.
Silly like that.
Of course.
But no, you're free to go. Have a nice day.
Junkyard is now released from detention, but the interaction isn't over yet.
So you guys got a call that I had.
So here's, I'm going to explain this to you.
No problem.
I'm going to
No
explain
problem.
this to you because I have a feeling that this is being done for your entertainment. That's what it seems like to me.
Well, opinions are like assholes. Everybody has one.
Right, exactly. So here's the scenario, okay? It's a violation of California Vehicle Code to carry a weapon in public.
carry a firearm
correct.
in public.
Somebody thought that was a firearm.
Understandable.
To be honest with you, when I drove by,
yeah,
I actually thought it was a firearm as well.
Well, I can understand
It wasn't
that.
until I was 5 feet away from you that I could see that it was a taser, and I appreciate your cooperation.
It's not a problem.
So, you're not detained?
No crime's been committed?
Correct.
All right. Can I get your name and employee number or ID number?
My name is right here.
Is that what you tell the judge when he asks you in court?
You're not a judge, and this isn't a court.
I know.
And it doesn't entitle you to delay everybody's process.
I'm just asking you what your name is.
My name is Sergeant Edwards.
Thank you, Sarge. Wow. Why don't you take your stripes off and put it on this guy over here, or this guy over here?
Hey, dude, are you ready?
Yeah.
This is our business card. This is my name, my badge number. This is the incident number right here, okay? These are the magic numbers, I'm sure.
I understand.
That's what you're looking
I guess
for.
the sergeant doesn't appreciate people being able to defend themselves with expensive equipment on them, you know?
I don't know.
You know, I got assaulted about a month and a half ago.
Did you record it?
Yeah, it was reported. It happened in San Clemente.
Have a nice day, sir.
We often encounter law enforcement officers and other tax beneficiaries that refuse to identify themselves, even when their agency's policies or even state law requires them to do so. It only takes 2 to 4 seconds and a few syllables to say a name, but they quote, delay everyone's process.
Delay everybody's process.
For as long as possible to avoid identifying themselves as a state actor. I have a feeling that this is done for their own entertainment.
I have a feeling that this is being done for your entertainment.
Or perhaps it's their ego, disdain for the general public, or maybe they're embarrassed of their career choice. After all, government is one of the few jobs worldwide that doesn't produce anything without taking it from someone else first. In this situation, they're offering security, a safe environment for the citizens they serve. The only problem is, that safety is only offered by removing Junkyard's right to defend himself, though that right is enshrined in the Constitution. Maybe for their next trick, they'll be the only ones allowed to feed and house you too. For your safety, Junkyard filed a complaint against Sergeant Edwards, and after the department investigated the issue, they sent him a boilerplate letter informing him that they found that his behavior didn't appropriately represent the Orange County Sheriff's Department. But no specific policy violations were found because the great state of California has made open carrying a misdemeanor, punishable by up to 1 year in jail. Note that law is obviously unconstitutional, and even the 9th District Court has ruled that the Second Amendment should allow for people to carry in public. The case was appealed, but in all its cowardice, the Supreme Court has refused to take it on. Be sure to head over to Junkyard's channel and let him know I sent you. He recently had another encounter just like this that might interest you, though that incident turned out quite a bit different.
Lay down, or you'll get bit by a police dog.
Part of this investigation is we need to identify.
No, you don't.
Yes, we do, because
once I'm placed under arrest for a crime, I will provide my information.
Okay.
Until that point, I don't have to give you jack shit.
Well, that's not necessarily true.
Yes, it is.
As always, thanks for watching. If you have a video you'd like to submit for review, use the link in the description or pinned comment. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell notification for future content. And remember to like, share, and comment down below of what you think of this interaction. It really helps the channel. If you enjoy our content, try our other channels, LackLuster Limited for criminal psychology content, and The Odd Side for paranormal videos. Shirts and other merchandise are available at the Teespring store. Memberships start at just $1 if you'd like to help further support the channel and get a slick Lack logo next to your name. I look forward to seeing you in the next video. All links are down below.